that parents especially have a lot of responsibility of understanding what their child is capable of, right? And understanding what their child's interests are. So if your child has really like on that spectrum, they're really high up on that spectrum of dyslexia, and they have an issue with language to the extent that they are not able to process it in any way. So then you choose, or the child themselves be interested towards something which is more of maybe something vocational. The child could go into hotel management, where there's a lot of like skills involved, which is less to do with words, right? Or it can be really good with drawing. So architecture, like it completely depends on what the child's interests are, and as parents, we need to give that. I mean, that's for all children, right? They give that space to be what you want to be, and not pressurize them, and especially not pressurize them for a vocation or for any profession, basically, which uses a lot of language. Also, I would say in today's world, post school, dyslexic children, it doesn't matter because we use emails, right? There's autocorrect. Like after a certain age, once you've like crossed grade 12, after that you don't really. Even in college nowadays, they take online submissions, and you have like papers you need to write down, and you have a lot of help with Microsoft and things like that. Once you go into your professional life, it doesn't matter. And again, something that I should have mentioned before is that dyslexia has nothing to do with intelligence. Very, very smart children, some of the smartest children I know have dyslexia. And oftentimes, because there's no issue with speaking, right? They will have a full-on conversation with you with something like about something very complex. But when you see the writing, that's when you realize I can't read a word of what the child is written. But when they're speaking, they can speak their minds. Again, as I said, there are different categories of children with dyslexia. So if just writing is an issue, right? They can't put down in words what they are saying. So they will find out ways to then deal with it. Even different, I think CBSE board in India has a certain, they give like when you're giving an exam, if you say that you have dyslexia, you're like spelling mistakes, they will not cut marks for spelling mistakes. So those things that awareness has started in India as well, where schools has become more they know these issues are there. So we also don't cut marks for things like that. So I think that awareness is very important. As I said, if the child is driven, the child can do anything they want, given that they are pursuing something that they are good at.